Guys, today we shall be reviewing the LCD writing tablet from Portronics. This is the Ruffpad 8.5 inch model. The box looks something like this. I'm not going to waste time unboxing this thing because I'm already using this thing long term and there's nothing special with the box design. If you want to read all of this, you can pause the video and go through it. So let's move this box out of the way and let's focus on the main product, which is this 8.5 inch. It is measured like this diagonally, and I'm using this since 3 years, and back then I remember the price of this thing used to be somewhere around 550-600 rupees. Yes, I have paid 600 rupees for this thing, and these days the prices have come way down and there are larger variants available, there are colorful variants available. So if you want to check all of those options, then buying links will be provided in the description or in the first comment. You can go ahead and check them out. So this is a no charging tablet design, which means that it uses a small coin cell battery. The battery is over here, and in my experience this battery will easily last for 2 or 2.5 years. So you don't have to worry about this thing running down with respect to its charging or its batteries. This is the LCD display, all right, and it comes with a pressure sensitive pen like this. You can slot it over here and you can make fine lines like this, and if you apply a bit of pressure you can make thick lines something like this. So there is some amount of pressure sensitivity built into this. Then it comes with an erase button like this. If you are done with your project, you can erase it. I've heard a lot of people commenting that this particular LCD goes bad, and here is the live proof. As you can see, I'm using this thing since you can see 3 years and nothing practically has gone bad. The LCD just works like that. Again, if it drops from your hand or something, then that is another story, but if you're using it carefully, then nothing generally goes wrong with this particular thing. Okay, and by using this thing long term, I have also found out some cons or some shortcomings of this particular product. So let's discuss about them. The first shortcoming that I've come across this thing is that you cannot erase this thing line by line. Say if you write it over here and if you want to erase this particular area, you cannot do that, because if you press this button, everything goes away. Let's say, for example, if I write subscribe, okay, and once you are done subscribing, yes, I'm talking to you, my friend, the subscribe button is down below available for you. Go ahead, click it, and say you are done subscribing and I wish that I want to erase this particular line, but I don't want to disturb my content which is written over here. You cannot do that. Okay, so what you have to do is use the very old school method like we used to do with paper. That is basically, whatever your lists are done, you either tick mark them or you scratch them out like that. So that is one con of this particular thing. The second con of this particular tablet is that this thing is particularly advertised, or you can say promoted, for use on fridges, for your shopping list, for your grocery list. And the thing is that this thing comes with magnet over here, and the problem I found that, as you can see, I have this metallic design LG fridge which I reviewed earlier, and this tablet has made painful scratches on the particular fridge. But not to worry, because I also found a solution, and the solution is actually very simple. So as you can see, it has 4 magnets over here, all right, and I have just simply covered them with paper tape. This thing is also known as tissue tape or painter's tape. Again, this thing is very cheap. Buying link is available for this tape in the description below. You can just put tape on all 4 magnets. I don't know why Portronics didn't think of it. They could have easily applied some kind of, you know, rubber or some kind of velvet on these magnets and helped prevent this kind of problem. But here is a neat little fix that you can do, and this thing will take care of the scratches problem. So let's speak about the conclusion of this product. Who can buy this particular product? So I feel that this is a very good eco-friendly alternative to chalk. Okay, so if you have been using chalk or slate, or if you've been using sticky notes, something like this, so these things you need to keep buying them, because, you know, of course they are not reusable, and again this thing is made of paper, so not a very good eco-friendly idea. But what you can do is you can go for this thing. This is one-time investment and you have to stop worrying about buying new chalks or buying new sticky notes. So I think that for the price that this thing is available, it's pretty cheap. You can go ahead and check it out. Again, if you want to check various gadget related review videos like this one, then there will be cards popping up on your screen like this. You can directly click them and watch those particular videos. So that's it for this neat little video, guys. I hope you liked it. Take care and have a nice day.